Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to see how I achieve this beautiful look, please continue watching. Alright guys, today's gel is going to be the booster gel as well as the gorilla gel. So I'm just going to start by parting my hair from ear to ear, just making sure it's a nice straight line, guys. Try to make it as straight as possible. And my hair is already washed and moisturized using my favorite Jamaican black castor oil mixed in with my coconut oil. Anyway, I'm just gonna use my water, to moisturize it some more, and then taking my afro comb, just combing my hair out, and I'm just gonna start sectioning little parts. So I'm sectioning the first part right there, and then I'm just gonna take the remaining of the hair and just put it in a ponytail, and then I'll section the hair into two, just the way I'm doing right there, guys. And I'm just taking the booster gel, applying that on the hair that I sectioned, and then using a little rubber band, I'm just going to tie that and pulling it so that it's nice and sleek. I'm going to be parting the whole section in the front, just making sure I part and then section it into two, just like I'm doing right there, guys. I am so excited about this style. Ooh. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so guys, while we're still here, make sure you subscribe to my channel, okay? Okay, guys? Okay. Let's get to 50K. Hey. Okay guys, just make sure you're adding enough of the booster gel. So you don't want it to be like too much, but you also don't want it to be like like not sleek enough. The parts shouldn't be like too big, not too small. Just make sure they're in between, so they're nice and cute, because I'm trying to make this crisscross style. Okay. Hey. We're taking it where? You know where we're gonna take it. From 0 to where? 0, 0, 0 to 100. Okay. Hey, the accessorizing queen is back. Okay. Hey. I'm having way too much fun with this style, guys. I love this. I love this so much. I hope you guys like it too. Let's get it. Okay guys, so make sure while we're here, you make sure you ring the bell so you don't miss out on anything, on any uploads that your girl is uploading, okay? Because I'm here. I'm gonna be uploading on the regular. Yes, babe, yes. All right guys, so just make sure all your lines are nice, and I know it's hard to make sure they're nice and straight, but try your best. Okay, so make sure you're leaving out your edges as well so you can make those baby hairs. Now that I'm done, parting the hair, I'm just gonna start crisscrossing the hair, taking one side to the other. So I'm doing the four parts right there. I'm just gonna be crisscrossing those and making sure you're adding some rubber bands, just making sure you're tying those with some rubber bands, and yeah, just like that. So I'm just gonna do that on the 4, and then the first 2 in the front right there. The next ones, I'm just going to put that to the back, pull it to the back. So it's like 4 and then 1, 2 to the back, and then another 4, and then 1, 2 to the back, and then another 4. Okay, so yeah, it's crisscross back, crisscross back, crisscross back. Okay, like that. Yep. And then after I'm done, I'm just going to, you know, start slicking the hair on the back, you know, down. On the back, I'm using the Gorilla gel. That way it slicks really good, you know. And I'm just gonna do it and use my Diana brush, you know, just brushing it all the way up so it's nice and sleek. Okay, because we're trying to look cute out here. Okay, get into it. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna use my scrunchie, you know, just using the scrunchie to tie that. I'm using 2 scrunchies actually. Just making sure it's tight but not too tight so you get a headache. And then I'm using my, you know, my spoolie, and I'm just gonna make those baby hairs. You know, we need those baby hairs because their styles need to look cute. Okay. And then I'm just gonna use my strips just to make sure it's nice and laying down. Okay, I'm using my Durag, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll see you guys in the morning. Good night. Mwah. We're back, we're looking all cute. I'm just taking my Garnier spray, shine, shine, shine bright like a diamond. You know, we gotta shine up in this building, okay? And I'm using this hair that I got from Amazon. I'm gonna put the link in the description below, okay? And just gonna part that into 3. I'm going to make this into a braid. So this is what I'm doing right now. I'm making this into a nice long braid, okay? It's not too long, not too short, so it's just perfect. First of all, guys, I forgot, I furthered this hair a little bit so it has like a little nice end to it. So you guys can do that. It's optional, but I feel like it's nice when you have to, like, you know, go around with it. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to, you know, cover my hair, you know, and use a bobby pin to secure that. And I'm just going to start making this into a bun, going round with it just the way I'm doing right there. All right, so just making sure you're taking the little longer part and then just, you know, securing it under, you know, tucking it in and using some bobby pins to secure this because you don't want it to go anywhere, guys. We want this to be secure, okay? So I have 2 braids that I made on the side, those little 2 braids. I just took some hair, the same hair, you know, just parted a little bit and made this into like a little braid. I'm just putting a bobby pin on it and then securing it. And then I'm just gonna go round with it like that, guys, and secure it on the side because I wanna make this into like a little nice, you know, like I have a braid or whatever, you know. And I'm taking the other side as well, just securing it with the bobby pin and going around like that, making that into a crisscross on the top right there. Okay, and this is nice and cute. Okay, so just making sure it's nice and straight, you know. I have this, you know me, the accessorizing queen. Yes, I have to do this. I have to. I'm taking this gold accessories that I got from Amazon. Okay, and I'm just gonna, you know, put those little goldies over on my style. You know, you can add as many as you want. I just added a few, you know, here and there, everywhere. Okay, and this just took the style from 0 all the way to 200 this time, baby. It went to 200. Oh my gosh, this style, I had so much fun filming this, guys. I hope you guys like it. Yes, guys, this is about it. Okay. Oh, I hope you guys enjoyed this as much as I did, but you know, give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know if you're gonna be trying this. This is very simple, you know, you can rock it anywhere. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Let's get to 50K. Bye. Mwah.